3 axis the machine. First we start the machine. This is a fully power on switch. Turn this way. And the next is this one, power on. And the system syntax will be started. This way should be wait for a few minutes. This one is the power view of the panel view. This is the control area and also this place. This one is the emergency button. Now we see here have some lamp. So we should be follow this notice and to do this. Next is the C not yet back home. The C is this one. In the center spindle it is contained around. And first we let the spindle place this way. The speed first turn to slowly. First we turn to this way and then we come back home. Now we press this one, home button. And then first back is 4. While this way the C already missing. And then we back the Z. With the Z missing, and then the Y. One by one, don't do together. And then the X. This X and this X, anyone is X, Y, Z, 4. Anyone press, it's okay. Okay, now already all the axes had already back home. So next is we started the work. Before we started the work, we should be put the materials on the table. This one is the materials. It's the wood for the door. This one first is done. Before we do this. We first use this button, let this one up, and then we put the materials on. It can move. And then this one, we can this one. The wood should be one line on this way, on one line. So, and then you can close, let it down, this one. And next is let the vacuum pump, this one. It's working. It's counter push. It's not moving. Now it's okay. And next is we set up the origin and start work. Next is first we set up the XYZ and the first spindle, second spindle, and the third spindle, and the 21 and 23 the area. First this one, 10 to 90 degree. It's this one. First spindle is this side. better now. The speed not too much. Now it's very nearly the wood. So press this one. We use the hand wheel to do. The tool center should be on this line, and also from this way it is tool center this way, and also this way. The tool touches the wood, almost touches the wood, should be touch the wood like this. And then next way should be do is offsetting. 这一片的吗？ This place should zero. This place should zero. This place T54 for piece. Less. This one yes. And then go back like this. And then the next is the first spindle. And already set up finish. And then next we use this one already finished. But the Z we give it a 0. This place 31. We give it a mosaic this one. This number minus 31.6. This one. This one and this one should be the same. And then enter it is this number. They should be the same. And then next is the first spindle we set up finish. And then we set up the third one. Same with the first spindle, let the third spindle touch the wood on the surface. Here we have the also have the Z. The mosaic area have the Z number. It is minus 32. This place minus 32. Oh, this one minus 32.0. This one, they have to be the same. And then enter this one. So the third one already finished. So we let the third one up. And then now we need the second one in the second one is this one. Normal minus 37.2. Minus 37.2. This one. the point don't have any number, but used to be under the point 0, so it will be this minus 32. If not, it will be 0.00. For example, this one. If you enter only minus 32, only minus 32, it will be changed like this. So when your enter should be 32.0, it will be right. And the next is the 21 area and the 23. Now we go to the 21. That is the Z up little. And then change to this way. Minus 280.5. So here we look for the 21 the area. Use this one, the page 1. Next page, 21. This one. Minus 280.5. See. Enter. So now the 21 finished. See up. Then already set up finished. That is the up. Now we should be import the program file. The USB, the please. Anyone join. And then we choose the program file. View manager. View transfer. will import. We select the files. The name is 678. Select and then copy. Already have one, so we overwrite it. Yes. Now it's already copied inside. Now we select 678 and then enter. This one. This one. Now it will be show you here what things you did. It will be show you. This. If you can't make sure, you can use this one. Have a look. It will be have this. And then next is we start working. This one and this one. If you can't make sure it can working correctly or not, use this one first. This one the meaning is said. You running the hand wheel is working. If you are not running, it's not working. Running, walking, not running, not walking.